Warehouse Partners are a trade-only provider of barcode labelling, line marking and RackNet's product. We cover the UK and Europe as well, providing these bespoke solutions for specific client applications. RackNet has been in the market for some 6 or 7 years now. It's based on a standoff bracket that's attached to the pallet racking that varies depending on what the client need is. In between the brackets you have a series of tension cables, essentially to create a grid, 2 vertical and 2 horizontal. You then attach the net, which is undersized to that aperture by means of carabiner clips. The fact that the net is undersized actually brings the tension to the overall structure. RackNet products are unique. They come in 3 different gauges, 2.3, essentially to contain boxes or packages of up to 50 kilograms. RackNet's 3, to contain pallets of up to 1,000 kilograms when timber decks or mesh decks are not in place. And then we have a 5mm RackNet's product, essentially that's in place when mesh decks or timber decks are present. Essentially, the solution is designed around client-specific applications to contain the possibility of the pallet being pushed out of the racking. It brings a number of benefits, one of which is the speed of installation. And dependent on the application, it could be as much as half the time of its metal alternatives. Another benefit is that it's a much safer product to use in that application. Should a pallet be pushed out of the racking, essentially the force is absorbed by the net, distributed into the cable, and then back through the bracket into the racking. The long-term cost of ownership of net can be significantly lowered as well because of the fact that net doesn't bend, buckle or break should a pallet end up being pushed against it. Net comes in a variety of colours and is always bespoke to the client-specific application. IMHX has been a great start. The first 2 days have been a great start. We've had interest from end users looking at using net within their warehouse, but also from the trade as well, looking to accept RackNets as an alternative to their conventional solution of steel mesh.